The 2025 Dacia Sandman Campervan is perhaps the most unexpected and intriguing disruptor to hit the adventure vehicle market in years. An affordable, rugged, and cleverly designed van that redefines what entry-level overlanding can look like, designed with practicality and utility at its core. The Sandman doesn't try to compete with high-priced luxury motorhomes. It leans into Dacia's value-driven philosophy, offering the freedom of the open road at a fraction of the cost. Powered by a modest yet efficient 1.6 turbocharged mild hybrid engine, producing 140 horsepower and paired with a 6-speed manual or optional CV, the Sandman is built for fuel efficiency and dependability, not raw speed. Its front-wheel drive layout is standard, but an optional all-wheel drive system boosts its off-grid capabilities, making it a surprisingly capable machine for light trails and unpaved getaways. With a combined fuel economy of around 40 mph, the Sandman stands out as a fuel-efficient alternative to thirsty campervans like the Ford Transit Trail or Mercedes Marco Polo. Built on a modified version of the Dacia Jogger's platform, the Sandman stretches slightly longer to accommodate a fully modular interior. It includes a convertible double bed, pop-up roof for added standing space, integrated kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, water tank, and even a compact solar panel setup mounted on the roof. What it lacks in luxury trims, it makes up for with thoughtful design. Collapsible storage compartments, a smart multi-use table, and integrated blackout blinds make the interior feel far more refined than the price tag would suggest. Compared to traditional campervans, the Sandman is dramatically more affordable, expected to launch under €30,000, significantly undercutting rivals like the V, California, or Rip Curl, while those models offer more power and brand prestige. The Sandman competes by offering exactly what most buyers in the van movement want: practicality, simplicity, and freedom without financial strain. Its lightweight design and compact footprint also make it ideal for navigating narrow European roads or fitting into urban parking spaces, giving it daily usability that many larger vans lack. Though Dacia has never been known for recreational vehicles, the Sandman's emergence is not entirely without precedent. The brand has always prioritized utility and affordability, and with the surge in demand for microcampers and minimalist travel, this step into the camper segment feels both bold and timely. Historically, campervans have been a luxury reserved for the well-funded traveler, but the Sandman democratizes that dream. Its impact could be profound, opening up van life to students, retirees, and families who have long wanted a taste of the lifestyle. Looking to the future, the Sandman may serve as the first step in a broader movement toward budget recreational vehicles.